Hey guys, hello YouTube. I am going to shoot buttholes and see how fast I can shoot them because I like Nerf and I didn't have anything else to do because I'm a loser and I don't have any friends. So let's get it. Oh, hold on. That was one bullet in it. Fuck. And fuck. I'm missing my desk. That was easy. That was a disruptor. Now I'm gonna do the dual strike, which can shoot either mega bullets or regular bullets. And I'm gonna see how good I aim I am with this gun. Do 3 bottles up there. I did it last time. I'm gonna do 3 bottles on there. So yeah. See it? See? Can do that one or that one. I'm gonna shoot him as fast as I can. Hopefully I don't miss. As I said that, time to push the other ones. And totally hit that one. I shot that. You guys have no proof. I did not shoot that. Now for one of my ultra favorites. It's the rough cut 2x4. The 2x4. And I'm sorry it's taking me so long. I'm loading this. It looks like this. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yep. That's pretty cool. I don't really have anything to do, so I'm just shooting these. I have like a ton of Nerf guns, so don't be bored, okay? If you guys want to watch me. And we're out. I shot those 2 as well. So I'm pretty good with that one. This is this one. Is this one? Doesn't have any bullets. But it does have an attachment with it, but I lost one of the attachments to it. This goes to one of them. Like, it can be a pistol, and they can, like, do this. You can go, if I can, they can do that. Go like that. It had something that went on right here, but it doesn't have it anymore. But, it's cool. But I guess I'll just shoot random stuff. There's nothing all over my stuff. By the way, my name is Tristan. You guys probably didn't know that. My friends that probably watch my YouTube, and my only subscribers are my friends. Those are the people. I have a cat that's probably freaking scared, but I'm not trying to scare her. She's under the table. Let's get it. I think I have 4 bullets. Yeah, 4 bullets, so yeah. This does not go far, I'm just saying. And I missed that one. Counts as one strike. What do you mean that was aiming right towards it? Yeah, and that's that one. You guys want to see it without this? Do this and do that. I'm not gonna look. Fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna see if I can hit one of these with my eyes closed. Did I do it? Yes, I did. Oh yeah, I can also do this. And then you can go right here. And yeah. Then I have like this tiny one, like shoots one at a time. And I put a couple in. But yeah. I'm looking for the ball. I'm looking for the bottle. I'm looking for the bottle. Bottle. I don't know what the fucking bottle is, so I'm just gonna use a sun kiss bottle. Oh, there's a bottle right here because I'm a fucking dumbass. Yeah. Let's get it. It's a cool thing. It's like, I think it's like a $7 to $5 or something like that. Walmart. This one's like 11. This one's kind of like 14. I think this one's like $18 or something like that. But this is like, if you want it, it's like cheap. Oh yeah, this one's probably like same price as the distributor or whatever you call it. Disruptor. That one. I'm done, but what do you mean, brother? I'm doo-doo? I'm shooting this right at it. Okay. Time to do this. You kidding me? Bitch. Yeah, now you hit it, bitch. Now I told you, suck on that. I'm sorry, I'm getting so mad at it. It's just a toy, but awesome. Yeah, that was the Big Shock. Now this is a Cyclone Shock. Yeah. Can do the same thing as I can do with all my guns. The bigger guns are coming. Yeah, the bigger guns are coming. It takes mega bullets. But yeah, and it hurts like a bitch. But yeah, I can do this. If I just collect all these. Don't mind me. Just collecting bullets for my guns. Yeah. I have all that. Yeah. Some guns don't work. And some things I don't have bullets to, but I can show them off to you. So it has like a grip to the bottom and all that. But yeah. And I'm missing one bullet. Oh wait, I have some bullets in my pocket. Henry and Henry Lane, if you watch this, challenge you. Henry, I know you have a bunch of Nerf guns, but you're pussy and I hate you. But let's do some Nerf sometime. I'm really good at this gun. Now we're getting on to the big guns. My sniper, it has like 2 magazines that look really cool. then it has an attachment. It goes like this. It does this. Yeah. It doesn't go as far as it looks, but it goes pretty far. And I'm loading this in wrong because I'm a dumbass. Because it doesn't have any bullets. But I'm gonna load these in. I'm gonna load all these in and all that. It's been going on for 10 minutes and 34 seconds, but yeah. I think I'm doing pretty well. If you guys want me to do this again or sometimes, it's fun for me. I like it doing it. It's fun. I like to shoot my Nerf guns. I never really have anything to do. So I just decided to do this. But yeah. But I have like a lot. I have quite a bit of guns. I have another house over at. No, I'm not rich. No, I'm not rich. I'm not rich. Life story. I'm adopted, and my aunts adopted me, and I have like their sisters and all that. Yeah, like that. And I'm shooting it without. I can't do the flip thing with all my guns, but I'm pretty good at doing it. I had a real revolver I can do it with. That I'm pretty good with. But yeah. Now, if you want me to go, you guys want to see me do it, like move all these, like doing it laying down, I'll do it like that. Cause I'm a beast like that. Yep, I'm a beast. I'm a beast. I'm a beast. Skirt. Oh shit! And I'm laying on all my guns. Like, come on. Come on. Gotta be kidding me. What do you mean? Usually awesome with this gun. If I'm pretty good with, I can hold it steady. Pretty good at doing this. There you go. That is the Raptor Strike gun. The sniper. It had a sight on it, and it still does. But it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now, getting out to the good guns. My really good guns. Starting off with my one favorite shotgun. The, double breach. It's a mega and can hold those, which is one of my favorite features about it. But yeah. By the way, I'm 14. What? Come on, ladies. I'm single and ready to mingle. I'm just kidding. Don't hit me up on that offer. Don't. I'm a weirdo. I'm a weirdo. Oh, I'm sorry. My mom, she was wondering what all that racket was. Because I'm making a lot of racket. It's really cool. It's like a pump action shotgun, which is I like. It doesn't have a sight on it. See, If you want to look down it doesn't have a sight. Bam, I shoot myself in the face. But I added this, which I like. But I think it's pretty accurate. Totally hit all those. Now, twin shock, which you guys probably know about. It's twin shock. It's powerful. I mean powerful. It got that ooh gun. All the ladies love this gun because it's so bad. It's so awesome. I think it fires 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It fires 10. I think it fires like 2 at a time or something like that. Sometimes it doesn't. Who knows? It's a weird gun. Yeah. But yeah. It's mega. It takes mega bullets. It's a nice gun. It's like around. It's $26, I think, for the gun. But it's like if you want to start off with it, it's a nice gun. But like this one is the same. Like these are the more high-priced ones. This one's like $20. This one's like $26, something like that. But yeah. This one is at, I think it's like $26. Now I have one that's $100. It's a battery one. Sometimes it doesn't shoot to it. Oh, damn. But yeah, ammo for me. Off. But yeah, now to get on to the big gun. Now to get on to a customizable one. I colored it with like all that, but yeah. But yeah, it has like attachments you can add to it. Like this is the whole gun that it came like with. It came with all of this. If I can find it. Where is it? It's a barrel. There it is. It's nice. Yeah, but it's really nice. It's a good gun. It's a pretty good gun. If this is boring to you guys, you don't have to watch it. But it's like fun to me because I'm interested in this kind of crap. Yeah. And it's jammed. Pretty good gun. It has another attachment. Here's it's a handle. Goes on right. Not like that. Like that. That's the full gun. You take all of it off, and oh yeah, it's like a secret little thing that you can hide a bullet in. Like one bullet. Yep. It's a good gun. But it's like old. I've had this thing for years. Probably like one of the first guns I ever had. It's a good gun. But yeah, it's not very accurate. And I got 2 in 1. There we go. It took me a little while. Now to the guns that I got this Christmas. This one. This is a nice gun. Does this? It's a sniper. It's a good gun. Now listen to this. It's so powerful. Do you hear that? It hurts. It hurts when you get hit by it, and I swear it does. It's a mean gun. It's a full-on mean. It's a monster gun. The last one is the $100 something. What is that? Well, it's not probably not $100. Around that price, not $100, but it's something close to that. It's like in like the 20. It's not in the 20s or anything like that, but it's somewhere in between somewhere. Now, where is that last bullet? There it is. Never mind, it's in one more. And I'm already losing bullets. I literally just got my room, it looks so nice. But yeah. So that's good. You guys want to see it this way? It can be like a shotgun or something like that. Like this, and it has like a grip on like that. Or it can be like a sniper, which does that. It's a cool gun. Which I'm going to use it like this because, why not? Oh, and it's a beast. Watch these bottles go flying. Flying. Watch them. Look, and even has that one. It's cool. So satisfying. Like, bye. It doesn't have a scope on it though. See? Well, it kind of does. But, oh, I guess it didn't shoot anything. Is it in? Yes, it is. Ready? Oh, what? Is it good? I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it's in now, but I don't know. It's weird. It's being weird. Yeah, I hope it's not broken. It's weird. It's being weird. The bullets are probably messed up with that. That's being weird. Yo, what the fuck is going on? I literally just got this. That's probably why. There we go. It's a weird gun. But yeah, that's that gun. Now for the final gun. Yeah, I am tired. It's pretty late, I think. This is the brand new gun. It's a cool gun. It's a really cool gun. Yo, these are glow-in-the-dark bullets. It's really cool. It's really cool bullets. These are really cool bullets. They're